See, in this Horspool algorithm, please be careful here. So in this Horspool algorithm, so basically we'll call it as string matching. Okay, already we discussed about nav string matching. See, the aim or goal, please understand, aim or goal. Goal is to find the pattern in the text. What is this pattern is nothing but something like you take it like this: A, G, A, R, P, G, A, N, something. This is a text. Understand? This is a text here. Again, you can see, I said this is all about text. And this one, what is this pattern is nothing but pattern is something like GA. This is the pattern. So that is what we have to identify this pattern in this text. So that is the idea. String matching is nothing but this is the meaning. Understood? Text is nothing but like this. Pattern is nothing but some given pattern. So any pattern it may be. Okay. GA is a pattern I have. I wanted to search this pattern inside this particular string. So that is why we will call it as string matching. So there is an algorithm called it as Horspool string matching. So we will going to see the structure. So what are the procedure? How we will going to do the pre-processing? And in this we have to construct one shift table. All those things I will explain. Just you see this theory part. Size of the text is equal to n. Okay, please here this complete text I will going to say that n. Okay, and characters in the text, please here characters in the text we will going to use an array. So that is from 0 to n minus 1. That's it. Size of the pattern is nothing but this one pattern. Okay, so I will going to take it as m. So in that characters which are available, so I will going to say what is that 0 to m minus 1. Here 0 to n minus 1 like that. This is text, this is pattern. So that is the meaning here. Okay. Now here limitations of brute force string matching. What happens here? Limitations of brute force string matching is nothing but already we discussed about naive string matching. So what happens here in the naive string matching? In the string matching, shift size is limited by 1. I will show you that diagram and as well as example, you will understand. Don't worry. Very slow process because of the shift size is 1. Please understand. This is very, very important. This one is very, very important. Okay. Again, in Horspool comparison happens from right to left. See here, from right to left. So something like this. From right to left, it will going to happen comparison. But in the naive string matching, what happens? Basically left to right. That is the difference between Horspool as well as naive string matching. That is the reason why I am bringing this Horspool comparison over here. So to make you understand about what is this naive as well as what is this Horspool. In Horspool, we will going to do from right to left. But in naive, we will going to do what is that? From left to right. Understand? From left to right, we will do. Okay. Fine. Okay. So here again, left to right comparison happens here. In Horspool algorithm, I told you very clearly from right to left. But in naive string matching, what we will do? We will going to do from left to right. Like this, from left to right. This is for naive. This is for Horspool algorithm. So you have to understand these two important things, actually these two. Okay, we will go to the next line. This one I am talking about brute force string matching. What is this brute force string matching is nothing but, please observe here. See, we have a this one. What is this? String. Okay, we have a string that is called it as, this one we will call it as text. This is the text. So what I said, text I will going to consider as n. Okay, so starts from 0 to, please observe here, where we are starting 0 to n minus 1. So this is the meaning. Okay, this is a text here. A little bit mistake I made. Remove this one, please. Okay, this is my text. This is my text. This is my pattern. That's it, nothing else. Now what we are doing here, please observe here what we are doing here. See, I will going to compare like this. How you will going to compare? I will going to compare T with S. This is my pattern. What is that pattern? Simple is my pattern. Okay, I will going to compare S with T first. So if it is matching, basically it is not matching. You can see that S is different character, T is different character, there is no match. That's why what it will do, it will shift from this particular position to next position. Nothing but one shift it will going to do. Like this it will come. Okay, that's what we are shifting is taking one, shifting place is one. Okay, when you see this one, when you go back to this one, you can see in the string matching, shifting size is limited to one. That is what exactly I'm showing here. So only one shift will going to happen from this place to this place. Again, you can see S is not matching. You can see S is not matching with H. Again, shift will going to happen. Again, S is not matching with the I. Shift will going to happen. But here S is matching with S. Next character, I is not matching with this space. Yes or not? Again, also same thing. One shift will going to happen. Again, S is not matching with high. So shift will going to happen one time. Here S is matching. Compare with one more character. Okay, next character. What is that? I. Not matching here. You can see not matching. Correct. So we are at here matching, here not matching. That's why shift to one. So like this. Okay. Again, also you can see S is not matching with A. So that's why not matching, shift to one. Okay, here also we are shifting, here also we are shifting. Again, compare with space. Okay, no. Again, we are shifting yes here. Now see here. So matching, fine. Here you check matching, fine. Matching, fine. Matching, fine. Matching, fine. So matching, fine. So this indicates it takes lot of time. Okay, time consume is more here. Because shift size is one, right? Shift size is only one. That is the reason why it takes a lot of time. To overcome this one, we will going to use the technique that is called it as Horspool algorithm. Okay, fine. Everyone okay with this? Hello? Okay. In Horspool string matching, we have to study some cases here. Okay, case study you have to study. What is that case study? I will tell you. One case I will going to explain. Let's take case one. Case one. Okay. Suppose example, we have a text like this. Suppose example, we have a text like this. Please understand, we have an example text like this. What is the text is nothing but I will show you. See here, something like text is there. Just imagine some text is there like this. Here all everywhere text is there. Please understand that one. Everywhere text is there. That's it. Okay. We have one pattern. Please here one pattern is there. What is that pattern is nothing but take it as something like this. B A R B E R. So some pattern that is called it as barber. Like that pattern is there. Please observe. Now, what I will do, I said very clearly pattern is nothing but m minus 1. Correct? Again, text is nothing but n minus 1. Text size is what is that here? N. Text size is n. Okay. N characters. Pattern size is again m characters. Understood? This one you have to be very careful. Fine. Now we have a text like this. Some text is there. Again, we have a pattern, something like barber is there. Okay. What we'll do? You can see here. Okay. This R will going to be compared with one particular randomly you take one text that is called it as K. Okay. Now what I will do, I will going to compare R with K. Please understand how I am comparing. I am comparing with R with K like this. I am comparing R with K. So is it matching? No, it is not matching. So what we have to do now, see, we have to check it in this. In this pattern, we have to check whether the K is available. Exactly K is available in this? No, there is no K is available. So that's why length of this particular, please here, this one you have to be very careful. Length of this pattern, whatever the length is there, what is the actual length of this pattern? Please observe here. Very clearly you have to observe. Length of the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 shifts you have to do it. Understanding everyone? 6 shifts you have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, you have to write here. What is that? Barber. Okay. Like this. Understood? Everyone got it? Okay. So this one text starts from 0 to n minus 1. That is what exactly. Okay. So that is how. Please, if the text is not available, whatever the text, so we are comparing, if this text is not available in this particular pattern, Okay. Then I will going to shift that value. Okay. So whatever the value we have, that pattern length. What is the pattern length? Actually, pattern length m is equal to 6. So these many shifts I will going to do. That's why I shifted it. Nothing else. This case 1. Okay. Let's see the case 2 again. Okay. This is case 1. Okay. Let's see the case 2 now. Case 2. So what is this case 2 is nothing but very simple actually. No need to worry at all. Same thing. I will going to take the pattern T. Okay. First I will going to take the text. Something like this. Text is there. Some text is there. We have pattern also. Something like pattern is there. So what I will do? I will write something here. P-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. Okay, na? Now, what I will do? I will going to compare. Please here. I will going to compare this R with one particular a text value. Okay, anything you take it. So what I will do? I will going to use the value that is B. So compare now. When I compare R with B, what happens? R is not equal to B. Nothing but this value is totally different. This value is different. Nothing but characters are different. Nothing but comparison is not done. And what you have to do? Please here, what you have to do? You have to see this text. Please observe here what we have. We have B. You have to check very clearly. I said here, what we have to do? K is available or not in this pattern. We have to check it like that. B is available or not in this pattern. We have to check it. Actually, B is available 2 times. Please here. Yes or not? B is available 2 times. Yes or not? So you can see B is available 2 times. That's why you can see 1 and 2. After that B is there. Please here. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 and 2. After 2, there is B is there. So what we have to do? We have to shift those many times. Please understand, we have to shift this one those many times. What is that exactly is nothing but now this barber will going to be shifted like this. We will going to leave this space. This space again we will going to shift like this. B-A-R-B-E-R like this. Okay. Fine. Rightmost occurrence of B. Please understand. You have to be very careful. We have to be very careful here. One line I will going to write so that you can understand. Rightmost occurrence of B. See here. 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Length is 6. After 2 characters, B is available. Again here 3, 4, 5. After 5 characters, B is available. Yes or not? After 5 characters, this B is available. After 2 characters, this B is available. So that what we have to understand, we have to take the first one. Okay. And rightmost occurrence. Please understand, this is the B is the rightmost occurrence. This one we have to consider. After the 2 characters are there, nothing but you take the 2 characters. Those many characters we have to shift it. Nothing but 2 times we have to shift it. So that's why this one and this one we will going to leave it and we will going to shift it 2 times. Okay. Because after B, 2 characters are there, E and R. So that's why rightmost occurrence of B. What is that rightmost occurrence of B is characters are 2. That's why 2 shifts we will going to do. That is the reason why this is the case 2 is very, very important. We have to see whether the B is available or not in this particular case. Very, very important actually. Please be careful. Okay. Next one we'll see. Case 4. Sorry, case 3. Okay, in this case 3, see here, we have a pattern. Please observe here, we have a pattern and we have a text. Text I will going to say something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like the text will be there. Don't worry. Later I will going to explain with a real example. These are all the cases you have to observe. That's it. Now we will going to say one pattern here. Pattern is something like leader. A, D, E, R, leader. Okay. Now I will going to compare R with B. So now R is not equal to B. Okay. Now you have to check it. Please understand. Now we have to check it very clearly. What we have to check it very clearly? B is available or not in this particular pattern. You have to check it. Is it available? No. What I said, length of this particular pattern. Okay, those many shifts I have to do. What is the length? Actually 6. So that's why this, 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 this. Now after that you have to write like this one. What is that? L-E-A-T. So this is the meaning. Same exactly what I said in the case 1, same thing only I am showing. That's it, nothing else. This is case 3, please understand. Okay, okay, fine. So this one you understood. Little bit I will going to include. Little bit I will going to include extra. Little bit I will going to include extra. Sir, what is that extra you will going to include? I will say. Now this is fine. Now I will going to add one more letter. That is called it as E. Okay. Now I will going to change the pattern here. Please here, I will going to change the pattern so that you can understand much better. Now what I will do? That one you understood. I will going to mention R here. Again, I will going to mention E here. Very important. Be careful. Now check this one. Matching. Again check this one. Matching. Again, I will going to introduce one more character. That is called it as K. Okay. Now see here. Compare with D. Not matching. Now what we have to do? This is very important. Please understand. Very important. Now we have to understand whether we have to check K is available or not in this particular pattern or what. No, you should not do like this. Again, here it is matching. E is available or not, you have to check it. No, you should not do it. But you have to check initial. Okay. That is what we will call it as suffix. Okay. First, whatever the pattern, see in that pattern, whatever the m-1, nothing but last character, we are comparing with this particular character, right? Only this character value we have to consider. We have to check whether R is there or not in this particular pattern. Okay, basically R is not there. Correct or right? R is not there. Even though, please understand, even though E is matching with E, but you should not consider this one. You have to consider the first last letter, okay, in the pattern, compare with the text. Okay. So this one, if it is not matching, even though that time also same thing, if it is matching E also, still we have to consider this one only. Okay. So R is we have to check the R inside the pattern. This is not available basically. Length of the pattern, those many shifts we have to do it. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing but what we have to do here. L, E, A, D, E, R. That's it. So very important actually. That's why I showed the different variations. Okay. So that it will be very easy for you people to solve the problems when I create a shift table. Okay. Case 4. We'll see this. In this case 4, same thing. Take text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, we will going to take the text. Again, take the pattern. Something like this. Okay, like this. Okay. Now what I will do? I will take the value R. Again, I will go on to take the value E. Here I will go on to take the value X. Now see here, it is matching, fine. It is matching, fine. But here it's not matching. Understanding? Here it is not matching. Please observe here, here it is not matching. What we have to do? Okay. This one is not matching. What we have to do now? Now same thing I told you very clearly. Okay. Whatever the R, that's what I said to you. Whatever the R. Okay, please observe here carefully. You have to observe carefully. R is available or not, we have to check it. R is available. Yes or not? R is available. Okay, you can see here, R is available. So that's why what we'll do. See, before this one, you can see this one. Okay. There are, see, what I said very clearly, right most occurrence of R here. Nothing but 3 elements are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. Nothing but you have to shift 3. Okay. So that's why here, from here. You have to leave this one. 1, 2, 3. 3 shifts we have to do. What is that? B, A, R, B, E, R, like this. Sir, you can ask me, sir, this also is there. Don't consider because we are comparing this one. That is the reason why we are comparing this one. That is the reason why we are not considering this one. So we have to see that what is that we have to see rightmost occurrence of R. What is that rightmost occurrence of R is three elements are there. Okay, three elements is nothing but three characters. B, C, E, 1, 2, 3. That's why leave three characters, nothing but three shifts we have to do. Three shifts we have to do. So this is the four case studies. If you are able to understand four case studies, we can do the shift table so that it will be very easy for us. Okay. So we will do that shift table. Let's see that shift table. What is that exactly it will going to happen and how we have to construct the shift table. I will tell you. Now see here. So we will going to construct a shift table here. What we have to do? We have to construct a shift table. Shift table construction. Okay. How to do this one? Shift one line I will write for you people. One single line. Okay, don't feel bad. Shift table is calculated in Horspool for all the characters based on pattern. See here. So I will going to take the pattern. Please carefully you please observe here. I will take one pattern. What is that pattern? Pattern I will take. Pattern is like this. What is that pattern is nothing but pattern P. Okay, na? Okay, what is that pattern? This is the pattern. For this pattern, we have to create a shift table. How to create a shift table? See here. Very simple. I will use something like this. Okay. So it is required. That's why. See, what we will do? Shift table is equal to something like I will going to call it as ST. Okay. This is shift table. Understanding? So these are all alphabets, right? So that's why what I will do, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again, one more is there. What is that? Is nothing but space. Okay. Including everything, we will going to have a 250 characteristic in computer. So that is nothing but we will call it as ASCII values. Yes or not? Okay. For other values, I will going to consider whatever 0 to 9. Okay. As well as symbols, all these things, including for all those things, I will going to make it as here one star or space. Leave it as, I will going to make it as one star here. For the star is nothing but all this 0 to 9, okay, spaces, etc. for all 256. Okay. That's what, see, from A to B caps 26, again small A to B 26 like that. Okay. Other, if you got any other character, for other character, I will going to mark it as star. If you want it, whatever you want it, you take it, no problem. You leave it as a space also. That is also fine. No issues. Okay. So first like that, you have to create a table. So this is space, a space you consider as space. Star is nothing but I will going to mention here. Star is nothing but star is equal to space. Okay. Now, see here, what is the value of this? Nothing but length of this particular pattern. Okay, understanding? Length of this particular pattern. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or not? Length of this pattern is equal to M is equal to 6, I will say. Okay. So M is equal to 6, I will going to say. What do you have to do now? You have to fill all the values of M inside this particular character shift table. This is what I will want to call it as shift table like this. This is our shift table. Please understand. This is our shift table. Okay. Now what I will do? See here. So A value, what is that? You have to enter, that is 6. B value 6. Initially, you have to enter 6 everywhere like this. Shortcut also I will show you, don't worry. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Others also 6. Nothing but star, any letter, character, or any other character, numbers for all these things. I made it as star. For all those things, 6 only. Now we will going to calculate like this. See here, please observe here. After B, how many characters are there? Please observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters are there. So B value you have to update. See here, 5. Understanding? So I will going to update here. B value 5. Fine. I will update here B value 5. Okay. Fine. After this one, B is over. After A value, how many characters are there? 4 is there. A value update 4. Okay. Go to R. After R value, how many characters are there? 3 characters are there. Go to R place, update the value 3. After B, how many characters are there? 2 characters are there. Again, you have to update the value. What is that? 2. B value 2. So 5 will go, 2 will come. Again, you have to update that one. Okay, B is done. After E, how many characters are there? Okay, only one character is there. So that's why 1. Okay, R. So what is the value of R right now? So R value we don't know. Okay. So R value I will going to take it as here. Please observe here. What is the R value we got it? 3. So that is the best one. So that's why I will going to consider as R value as 3 only. Okay, now can I repeat once again? After B, how many characters are there? Please here. After B, how many characters are there? So for B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I written 5. Okay. After A, for A, how many characters are there? R, B, C, R is there 4 characters, sir. That's why I written 4. Okay. Again, okay. For R, how many characters are there? That is 3. I written 3. Again, for B, how many characters are there? 2 is there. That's why 5 will go off. Again, you will want to update with the 5. That is 2. Again, for E, how many characters are there? Okay, only 1 is there. That's why I updated 1. Okay. Again, R is there. So basically, nothing is there. After R, nothing is there. But best value, so R is already updated. That is 3. Keep that as 3 only. Sir, we are able to understand this one. What is the shortcut? If you want it shortcut, rest of the values you please observe here. What I will going to do, rest of the values same thing. What you will going to have? So this is 4 here. Okay, 2, 6, 6. 1 will be there. Again, 6, 6, 6, 6. Everything is 6. Here 3, 6, 6, 6. So this is your shift table. Understanding everyone? This is your shift table. So we got 2 here. Again here 4 year, again 1 year, again 3 year. Okay. So for barber, okay, we got the values. I will going to tell you what is that. Something like this. Please here B A R B E R. Yes or not? So what is the value for B? So B value is 2. What is the A value? So A value we got how much? 4. You can see. What is the R value? R value we got 3. What is the B value? We got 2. What is the E value we got? E value is 1. What is the R value? R value is 3. This is fine. This is how we will going to construct the shift table. Okay, this is how we will going to construct the shift table. Very simple. Sir, we are not able to understand. This one is a little bit difficult, I am feeling. What is the shortcut we can able to play? See here, I will going to show you the shortcut also. You see the shortcut. Now, please, I will say take same. I will take the same example. B A R B E R. See. So leave this one. Don't consider this one. Let's say 1. Okay. So again, this one is 2. Again, see you can R is 3 value. Again, A is 4. B already updated 2. That's why 2. That's it. This is the shortcut. Over. Again, what is the R value we got? 3. Now you update 3. That's it. So we got right. B value 2. Again, A value 4. Again, R value 3. Again, so B value 2 we got again. Okay. Again, E value 1. Yes or not? R value 3. Fine. Easy. Everyone okay with this?